What's up, guys? The boys and I are gonna head outside and take care of the animals. It is freezing outside. It is currently
it's currently 1 degree and minus 13 with the wind chill.
So we gotta get bundled up and go out and check the water for the sheep. We have a heater out there, but I'm pretty sure we need to fill up the water. We're gonna fill up the wood stove and just check things out. Go ahead and feed the sheep while we're out there and just do our outdoor chores.
This is all we got to stay warm. No, I'm kidding. We got a little surprise for you later.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go get bundled up and get outside.
Our little grumpy butt came back for the warmth.
He's a grouchy kitty. He's inside the garage. These guys are staying nice and warm.
Oh, told you.
Oh, you hungry? Lola's gotta go outside and potty. She hates the cold.
It's snowing!
It snowed.
Let's see how fast she She just did a whoopty. Where'd she go?
There she is. Nope. Oh, she slipped. That ain't. Oh, that ain't breaking. Oh!
I'm going. Oh God. We were out here yesterday. We were out here yesterday and we were trying to break the ice, but it was really thick. Now it's like super thick.
So, she was gonna get this bucket unfroze off the ground. She kicked it.
Whoops. So mission find bucket. All we can find is a half bucket.
Oh, come on.
This one's really frozen.
It's frozen, isn't it?
Don't break it.
Let's have to make more trips back and forth. It's okay. There.
Oh, it made it slippery.
Look what happened to the egg.
It froze.
Let me see.
It's cracked.
Can I throw it?
I want to
Can I throw it up?
Right here. Can I show it up?
Yep. Gotta go high. Still intact. Oh, like a rock.
Now what happens if you roll a frozen egg? It's gone. You want a frozen egg?
He said, thank you.
Oh, you dropped it.
Aw.
Get it, Rafi, get it. Whoa, no. I said, I feel like my snot's freezing.
It probably is.
It's so cold.
We're coming.
Coffee, Daddy. Your egg, buddy. Guys. Hi. Hi, Daddy.
Oh. That mama loves us when there's food around.
Hi, babies.
Hi, babies. Hi. Watch out. Oh, come on.
Gav, you didn't finish all the bucket. Oh, okay. Whoa.
Whoa, bro. Whoa, bro.
Whoa. He's taking a ride.
They go psycho when they get food.
Grab a baby.
Okay. I want the cute one.
They're all cute.
Oh, come here. This is my favorite. He's got a little patch on his eye, on her eye.
Grab that one, D.
This one?
Yep. Any of them.
They keep you warm. They keep you warm.
She'll keep you warm.
Yeah. You want this one? I'll get that one.
Yeah. Come here, attach.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay, baby. Hi, buddy.
Your cheeks are rosy.
Yeah.
Oh, Gavin, are you okay?
Yeah.
Bonked his head.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
You big boy.
Okay.
Is
Boy
it
or
a
girl?
boy or a girl?
Boy.
Hey, boy. Here's our other baby, Penelope.
Staying warm, girl.
Can I try,
Alright.
baby?
Don't peck me.
Can I try?
I'm gonna put you inside so you can stay warm.
So Penelope's camera shy.
You could disguise as a baby.
I think Ralph still has his egg. Are you-
He's eating it.
Is the yolk frozen? You got like a popsicle egg.
Yeah.
He does that all the time when we give him eggs.
Okay, let's go do our fun trick.
The fun surprise.
Uh-huh. Can't tell you guys got out of the way. Stop.
Okay, where's the water? Here it is.
That was muddy.
Alright, so
It's like muddy water, but it's fine. We're gonna light the firework now. But let me show you how not strong it is. Like I'm not even putting any pressure. It's broken.
Dylan.
Ah, shoot. Ready? Oh, that was cool.
Smoking.
Done.
oh yeah, look at the smoke. Oh man.
Oh no.
Oh, that was close.
Almost broke.
That
Last
was
one.
Last one. right here and went poof. The pool's froze. What are you doing?
That's pretty thick. Well, I could stand on it.
Hey, don't hit it no more. That's scary.
Yeah, really. Oh, God. It's so
It's gonna suck if you fall through. It's thick.
Yeah, it's thick.
I don't think the pool's ever froze. Actually,
No, it hasn't.
it might have, but we never
Look at
leave
it.
the cover off of it.
Yeah. If I hear it crack, I know I own it.
All right, our animals are taken care of. We are headed over to my brother's house to let his dogs out and give them some water. We just filled up a gallon milk jug of water to take over to them. Unfortunately, his pipes froze over there, so he is out working and we're gonna go let his dogs out. Then we'll be able to come back and get in the house and warm up.
Yep.
So my brother's is just literally around the country block, so
Yeah.
Dylan's driving. Okay guys, thanks for following along with us today, and make sure you subscribe to our channel if you're not yet. Like and share our videos, and comment below what are the temperatures where you guys are at. It is 1 degrees here and a wind chill of -13. See you guys on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Throw it up in the air. Don't punch it in his face.